Imagine being able to earn up to $500 a day simply by entering names into a database. How amazing would that be? Here's how it works in more detail. In today's video, you will now get paid if you type one word or one name such as David, and you will be paid again if you input another name such as Jennifer. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and here's how much money you can make. If you typed one page of names, you can get $15. If you typed 5 pages, you'd get $75. And if you typed 20 pages every day, you'd make $300. The best part is that there are no limits. You have complete freedom to type as much as you want and earn as much as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or on your computer, and it's entirely free and available all over the world. So make sure you stay tuned until the end so you don't miss out on the sign-up process, which is actually fairly challenging and one that the majority of people get incorrect. In addition, I'll give you a bonus website that generates 3 times as much as the others, so keep an eye out for that. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. As you can see, we can estimate how much money you can earn from this branding chance by using the calculator on this website. Pay attention to the rate per word, which indicates how much money you can earn per work that you write. In this case, it's 50 cents in US dollars, and one page typically has 300 words. For example, this typing name project right here is page number 1, here is page number 2, and right here is page number 3. And for each of these pages, you can get paid simply by typing names. Let me show you this page where we can actually get paid $15 for a total word count of 300 words, and you can see this is actually one word if you look down below. When you scroll down, you'll notice that there are a total of 300 names, each of which represents 300 words, and you can make $15 each page simply by typing names on this website. So at $15 a page, we can receive up to 20 pages per day, implying that we can easily earn $300 to $400 per day simply by typing names. Let's go visit this website, talentdesire.com. Earn money from home without putting in any effort, and this opportunity is completely free. You don't need to invest any money to get started. You can see that they provide various opportunities to work from home by scrolling down below, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, and a variety of other professions. But for the purpose of this video, we'll concentrate on the online typing job because it's one of the easiest things you can do on this website, and it takes no prior experience or skill. To read more, I want you to click on this red button right here. Take a look at this. You can make money from around $13,500 to $27,000 each year, and this is a fantastic opportunity. Now, in terms of joining expenses, you can see that registration is free, there are no hidden costs before or after joining, and they'll never ask about investment at any point. Depending on your skill level, you will be paid varying amounts ranging from beginners to experts. I'll give you a secret additional tip in a moment that will help you earn a better rate. You can see here that even if you're a total beginner, you can get paid at an expert level. So right now, I'm gonna teach you the first bonus trick that'll help you earn a larger rate simply by inputting names online. I'd like you to visit redatype.com. So this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test, and I want you to click on this yellow button right here to go to the page where we can start typing on our phones or computers. Go ahead, click and start typing, then click on the yellow button, and I'd like you to do the speed typing test since this website offers you a free certificate. Now, the reason you need a typing certificate is because it'll increase your income and earnings per page. If you want to make $15 for every page that you write, make sure you have a certificate. This is the greatest secret because even if you're new, having the certificate to prove to them that you can indeed type will help you get approved much faster. You can get a high earning rate and endless job opportunities, which means you can earn up to $300 or even $400 per day just by typing names. So keep an eye out for further information on how to get this free certificate and how to finish your application on talentdesire.com. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. As you can see, when you start typing on this page, it calculates how many words per minute you can type, as well as your accuracy. The term accuracy refers to whether or not you type any spelling or typing errors. As you can see, your accuracy should be between 98% and 99.99%. And the higher your accuracy is, the more money you can make. By taking a typing test and getting a certificate on this website, you can show your typing speed and accuracy, which will result in higher pay rates. Let me show you a real-life example of how to take this test right now and obtain your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes. So, once I complete typing, they'll show me my typing speed and accuracy. This is my actual findings. So, if your speed is slower or your accuracy is less than 98%, don't worry, you can still return to this website and retake the typing test for free until you improve your speed or accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the findings, scroll down to the bottom of the page and join up for a free account by clicking this link. You can create a free account by entering your name, email address, and password, and then clicking the Create Account button. Click I accept the terms and conditions and sign up by clicking the yellow button. As you can see, I type in my name, email address, and password, then I click this button, and once I've signed up for a free account, I'll come back here and log in. You can see my name right here on my dashboard, and here's my typing speed and also my accuracy. Now we'll just scroll down to my certificate, which you can see here. Simply click on my certificate to be taken to this website, which you can see here, and they even show you their Retatype.com signature to prove that the certificate is legitimate. Now, if you scroll down below here, you can click on the print button. All you have to do is save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file by clicking the save button. So this is my actual certificate, which I received for free from Retatype. So you can start applying for these jobs once you get the certificate. So let's go to talentdesire.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this red button, Apply Now, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can start applying for your job. Once you've arrived on this page, scroll down to see what's available, select an application, and you'll be sent to the screen where you can pick if it's an online or offline application, although it will default to an online application if you scroll down. After clicking on this red link, you'll be taken to this page where you'll find an online application from 4 work-from-home jobs. Now go down here and check for the small red link right here and fill in your information to apply and work. As you can see, the registration page on this website is actually quite hidden, so if you can't find the registration page, rewatch the video, or you can also bookmark or save this video to your playlist and watch it later. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see that you'll be filling in your personal information. The first thing you'll need to do is click this and accept the privacy policy, then enter your first and last name, as well as your email address, phone number, and country. If we scroll down, we can see that they welcome people from all over the world, including India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and more. Moving on to the next step, basically it's about your professional information. It's a very important section and most people get it wrong on the first try. What I'd like you to do is fill in the Professional Data Entry Specialist job title section. Very important for you to type the job titles like this, and then what time is best for you. Then click on this down arrow here and you can see whenever you want here, but I want you to choose all day because that'll give you more opportunities at more jobs, which means you can earn more money, and you can also choose between PayPal, Payoneer, Direct Deposit, or Skrill as your payment method. Now you can choose one of the statuses right here, in this case self-employed, and once you fill in all the details, you can actually click on this Yes, I have read and accept this statement, and also your signature, you just have to put in your full name right here and click on I'm not a robot, and lastly, click submit. Once accepted, you can start receiving typing jobs like this where you can earn $15 for just 300 words on one page, and another $15 on the second page, and another $15 on page number 3, and so on. You can earn $15 for every single page that you type, which I encourage you to submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more jobs. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.